Dang. Oh, that was a good one. Oh yeah, it's starting to rumble out. Oh, it's on. Whoa! Dang. Oh, dang.
What do you see?
Right now I'm just recording all the lightning flashes. Right now I'm just recording all the lightning flashes. Like that one.
Gee.
Oh yeah, that was a good one. See, this is why I asked for a camera for my graduation.
It's way out there.
I don't know. It could be a number of reasons. I'm just hoping to get one really, really good flash.
I tried to get more of a local station.
Huh. Did you turn to channel 8?
Huh?
Did you turn to channel 8?
Yeah, I think it's what
Oh, okay. Yeah, that sky is lighting up. This is so going on YouTube. Whoa! It was like daylight for a second. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that is like right above us too. You guys seeing this? Whoa. Dang, that was a good one. Oh yeah, you can see the little bolts and stuff. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Damn. Oh my god, that was a bright one. Whoa, my god. This is crazy.